Hello guys, today we are gonna unbox this mini squishy dumpling. I don't know if it's fake or real, but I don't know. I wish it's nice. You first gonna see because this is basically my sister's. Anyways, let's open it. 1, 2, 3. See it guys first. Oh, why is it? I'm still guys. Wow, this feels like a needle. Why there's no flowers? It's fake and it's kind of dirty. It's okay. It feels like a needle, sugar squishy. Sorry. But it's okay. I still have my cheese squishy though. Also guys, I have more squishies and this is my sister's, but it's mine and my sister's. Or mine. I was trying to squishy hunt. Yeah, like I'm trying like I tried to squishy hunt but I only bite slime. I'm posting another video of mine squishies. This is mine and my sister's. Bye guys, see you at my another video.